Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interval workout for beginners. Today we're doing bear variations, starting in perfect plank position. And now step into bear pose, step back to plank. Step into bear, step back to plank. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Body is aligned. Head, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles in straight line when in plank. When you do the bear pose, make sure your knees don't touch the mat. And rest. Okay, now 30 seconds off. Lots of work today for the shoulders and for the core in general. Legs are gonna feel it too. It's gonna be really fun. The next exercise is bear to down dog. Are you ready? Let's go. Bear position. Press into down dog, back to bear. Press into down dog, back to bear pose. And again, make sure when in bear position, your knees don't touch the floor. Keep breathing. Core is tight and engaged. And now rest. Of course, if 30 seconds are too easy for you, you can always increase the work interval. You can do 45 seconds on and only 15 seconds rest. It is up to you. Just listen to your body. And we've got this. Okay, the next one, we're gonna hold the bear pose and we're gonna do shoulder taps. And tap, and tap, and tap. And keep breathing. And rest. Okay, that was good. Stretch your shoulders if you need. Or stretch your wrists. Just listen to your body. Now we're doing again bear hold into front reach, alternating the arms. Try to keep your hips square, so don't rotate them too much. Of course, this requires a lot of core strength. Few more seconds and rest. Okay. 10 seconds. The next exercise is bear hold twists. So again, holding in the bear pose and now twisting knees, squeezing knees together and twisting them side to side, side to side. This exercise is so good for your core, for your abs. If you want to have a small waist, you should do these twists. And rest. Okay, nicely done. We are halfway through this workout. 5 more minutes to go, 5 exercises. Another 5 bear variations. The next one we're gonna repeat on each side. It is bear leg kick backs. So now I'm kicking only my left leg, holding the bear position and kicking and squeezing my booty. And rest. Okay, that was challenging. Take your time, stretch if you need. Now we're gonna repeat on the other side, same exercise. Ready? And kick the right leg back. Hold the bear position. Almost there. And rest. Holy moly. 3 more intervals. 3 more minutes. And now we're doing bear fire hydrants. So for this fire hydrant, I'm gonna actually keep my toes down on the ground, down on the floor, and I'm gonna open the knee to the side. Hips staying forward, keeping them square, and just open the knee to the side, only one side. And rest. Okay, almost there. 2 more minutes. For the next interval, we're gonna repeat the bear fire hydrants on the other side for the other leg. Abs on fire. Okay, ready? And off we go. And rest. And we have 1 interval left. This is the last one. We're gonna be holding in bear pose. No movements added, just holding into bear pose. Okay, are you ready? And hold. Hold and breathe. Ten seconds left. And that was awesome. Woo! Thank you so much for joining me today. This was another awesome 10-minute beginner interval workout. It is part of my challenge 9-week beginner interval challenge. This is week 5. Remember, you have to repeat this workout 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm gonna see you next week with another awesome workout, quick and effective. Thank you. See you next time.